To connect to and create a model based on universes from the SAP BusinessObjects BI platform, we can create the connection in the connection area or as part of the process of creating a model. For this type of connection, we need to choose Use a Data Source. Note that we can work with universe data by importing it to SAP Analytics Cloud or by using a live data connection, in which case the data is accessed from the SAP BusinessObjects BI platform without replication. Refer to the video on creating a live data connection to SAP Universes for more details. In this case, we'll import the data. First, we need to choose the connection to use. We can select an existing connection or create a new one. Note that before we can connect to SAP Universes, the SAP CP Cloud Connector and SAP Analytics Cloud Agent must be installed and configured. Detailed instructions are available in the application help. We'll enter a connection name, and optionally we can enter a description. Next, we need to specify the system URL, user credentials, and authentication type. We can choose between Enterprise, LDAP, Windows AD, and SAP. In this case, we'll use the Enterprise authentication. The connection has been successfully created. Next, we'll enter a name for our query, and then choose the universe on which we want to base it. We can navigate the folder structure or search using keywords. Here, we can navigate the objects in the universe, which are organized in a series of folders. We can add individual objects or entire folders to the selected data area to specify the dimensions and measures we want to import. In this case, we'll add all objects. If desired, we can also create filters to restrict the range of data to import. In this case, we won't apply any filters. A sample of the data has been imported, and we can complete the data integration process before generating our model. Here, we can perform a range of tasks, such as resolving data quality issues, enriching time or geographic dimensions, creating hierarchies, and defining dimension attributes. Refer to the relevant videos for more details. Thanks for watching.